Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by eliminating simple causes. Check the HDMI cable is fully seated and the TV is on the correct input. Once done, inspect the TV picture mode, turn off overscan or enable just scan or screen fit so the console image isn't cropped. Now, on your Ps4 open settings, then sound and screen, then display area. Use the on-screen grid to see if edges are visible and adjust the box until no elements are cut off. Next, you change the Ps4 video output so it matches the TV. Go to Settings, right arrow Sound and Screen, right arrow Video Output Settings, and choose 1080p or Auto. This forces correct scaling. If the screen goes blank or looks wrong, power off and boot safe mode by holding the power button. Choose Change Resolution and let the Ps4 restart at 480p so you can reselect 1080p. Also check RGB range in the same menu, if colors or black level affect perceived size. To finish, fine-tune the display area setting until all UI elements fit, then use your TV's aspect or zoom controls if tiny edge issues remain. Make sure to test a different HDMI port or cable, and if possible a second TV, to isolate whether the console or screen is at fault. If adjustments fail, boot safe mode and run rebuild database. Only initialize the system as a last resort after backing up. If problems persist, replace the HDMI cable or consult TV firmware updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.